Alright, so this is the AMG menu and whatnot. Displays the coolant temp, the oil temp, and all that kind of stuff. If the coolant or the engine oil isn't warm enough, then the numbers would be displayed in blue as opposed to white. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the vehicle into drive. So with the AMG menu, it displays your gear that you're currently in up at the top there, and right to the left of it is the display you wanted to have reading for speeds. And so I also went and coded manual driving mode in. So right now I have like the kind of factory driving mode set up, the standard one set up, but I don't have it displaying any kind of letter or whatnot indicating that it's standard. I only have it set up for manual. So if I hit it, it automatically switches to this, and it will go and display the whole 7 gears and whatnot. And so as you go and drive and you shift, it pretty much will go and change automatically. And also when the vehicle automatically downshifts, if you don't go on manual downshift it yourself, it'll actually go and update which gear you're currently in, as opposed to our factory driving modes that have this whole little setup. Doesn't kind of update which current gear you're in. So that's the cool thing about manual mode.